Hi friends! Are you ready for spider yoga? Let's begin. Time to become agile, strong, and powerful.
Stand tall. Reach up. Breathe in.
Reach up to the sky. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. Do it just like me. Stand like a tree. Breath in and smile. Very good.
Same pose. Now we'll lift the other leg.
Excellent. Now let's move the next exercise.
Step wide. Bend your front knee. Arms out strong. Look forward.
Nice job.
Same pose. Now, other side now. Bend. Arms out. Stay strong. Very good. Now, we will do the warrior pose. One leg forward, the other back. We bend the front knee. We raise our arms up. We keep our torso upright. We are strong.
Excellent.
Same pose. Now we'll lift the other leg. You are doing great. Please sit down now. Sit comfortably. Relax and breathe. Very good. Sit comfortably.
Reach up to the sky. Breath in and smile. Excellent.
Sit comfortably. Lift one arm. Gently stretch to the side. Very good. Same pose. Now lift the other arm. Gently lean to the other side. Now, look at me. We are now down like me. Pose. Awesome. Let's keep going. Stretch your leg. Bend forward gently. Breathe out and relax. are doing great. Now, let's move on to the next exercise. Stretch like a puppy. Push the floor away. Breathe in and out. You are doing very well. Now we're going to do camel pose. Knees on the ground, body upright, hands on hips. Slowly bend backwards.
Breath in and smile.
You're doing great.
Today we became faster, stronger, and more agile. Be proud of yourself. Did you like our yoga today? Like and subscribe for more fun yoga.